Students, welcome back to the English e-learning platform. Dear students, okay, today we are going to discuss the exercise part of the poem Day by Day I Float My Paperboard. So which is composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so dear students, open the page number 24 and get ready with a pencil. Okay. So here a little more of the poem. The first question, who has composed this poem? Okay. So dear students, who has composed this poem? So who has written this poem, do you know? Yes, Rabindranath Tagore has composed this poem. So this is the answer for the second one. Okay, who has composed this poem? What is the name of the poet of this poem? Rabindranath Tagore has composed this poem. Okay, the second one, what does the poet do day by day? So what does he do? So he has written in a poem. Okay, what does he do? Okay, day by day. So the answer, the poet floats. The poet floats his paper boards day by day. So this is the answer for the second one. Then third one, it is an MCQ. How does the poet float his paper boards? How does the poet float his paper boards? A, 2 by 2. Does he float his paper boards as a 2 by 2 or 3 by 3? Does he float 3 by 3? Or C, 1 by 1. So does he float the paper boards in 1 by 1? Yes, the answer is C1. So he floats his paper boards 1 by 1. So this is the answer. The C, option C is the right one. Okay, tick the right mark to the C1. The second one, how does the poet write his name on the paper boards? Dear students, how does the poet write the name on the paper boards? So how does he write his name and his village name on the paper board? A, in big block letters. So does he write in capital letters? In big block letters means, in big letters means capital letters. Okay. Or B, in small letters. So does he write in small letters? Or C, in red letters. So does he write in red letters? So in which letters does he write on paper boards? Yes, option A, in big block letters. In big block letters. So option A is the right answer. Okay, the poet writes his name in big block letters on his paper boards. Okay, then the fifth one, what else does the poet? What else does the poet write on the paper board? So along with his name, so on the paper board he writes his name in big block letters, and along with his name, so what does he write else? So else what does he write? A, the name of his school. Does he write the name of his school? B, the name of his village. Does he write the name of his village? Or C, his father's name. So does he write the name of his father's names? Which one is correct? So option B, the name of his village. So option B is the right one. So third one. So he writes his name in big block letters, and also he writes his village name on the paper boards. Okay. Then the sixth one. When do you think Shuli flowers bloom? So Shuli flowers. Okay, when do you think these flowers will bloom here? A, night. B, morning. C, dawn. D, dusk. So what time does or do these flowers bloom? Yes, option C is the right answer. Dawn. Dawn is early morning. So these flowers bloom in early morning. Okay. So dawn. Option C is the right one. Then Seventh one, where do the shivli flowers that the poet puts on the paper boards grow? So where do the shivli flowers so that the poet puts on the paper boards grow? So where do these flowers, or where does the poet bring these flowers from? So from where does he bring? The answer, the shivli flowers grow in the poet's garden. So from his garden itself, he brings the flowers. Correct? No. So this is the seventh one answer. Let us go to the next eighth one. What does the poet hope? So what does the poet hope? So what does, or what? So what type of hope does he have? Do you know? So the poet hopes that these flowers will be carried safely to a distant land in the night. So this is the hope of the poet. Okay, the poet hopes that these flowers will be carried safely to a distant land in the night. Okay, then eighth one, what does the poet hope? Okay, next ninth one, do you think these paper boats will go on a long journey? So do you think, dear students, so these paper boats will go on a long journey? Yes. Okay, so these I think, okay, so these paper boats will go on a long journey with the help of running stream water, running stream. Okay, they might have go, so they might have gone, or they may go on a long journey with the help of a running stream. So this is the answer for the ninth one. And 10th one, paste a picture of shivli flowers or flowers here. So dear students, there is a space provided here. Okay, so here what you do, you have to paste a picture of shivli flowers or any other flowers you can paste here. Okay, so this is the today's session of exercise, the question answers, and tick the correct answers that we have solved. I hope you have understood very well, and after posting this video I will send key answer of this poem. So what do? You have to copy down in your notebook neatly and get ready for the upcoming examination. Okay, so thank you my dear students, have a nice day.